Can a trim cleaner protect your plastics and rubbers from UV rays and keep that plastic and trim looking prettier than when it was brand new? My name's Eben. Welcome back to Synthetic Oil Protection. Today we're talking about the Tire and Trim Protectant by AMSOIL. This has some proprietary technologies that is deep inside the chemical formulation of this. I've used it on several parts on my vehicle, and it saturates the plastic just instantly, goes right into it, allows it to be shinier, smoother, has a nice gloss to it. This is conditions rubbers, plastics, all different trims on a vehicle. No matter what part that's plastic, this can be used on it. Highly recommend trying it right away. I want you to leave a comment asking me a question on these products. Happy to answer all your questions, like I said before. And I love saying it again, there are no stupid questions. I'd also like you to order this right away at syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your go-to independent AMSOIL dealer, can answer all your questions with all these other AMSOIL products, cleaners, and protectants. Check out this video right here on the next video of 24 days of AMSOIL products.